Hello students, in this video we will learn about some properties of subtractions in case of whole numbers, or also we will do some of the questions of exercise second C. See, properties of subtraction in case of whole numbers. All you know is that whole numbers begins from 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 so on they will move forward. Now come to the closure property. As we read it in addition, that closure property, if a is a whole number and b is again a whole number, then their a and b are both whole number. So what was there? Their sum was also a whole number. But in case of subtraction, what it will be? It will be not followed. A minus b will not be a whole number. Will not be a whole number. Only there are some cases when it will be a whole number. Suppose we are taking two numbers a and b, whole numbers. See, a and b are the two whole numbers. Suppose a is 2 and b is 1. Now you can see, if we will subtract a minus b, we will do, what is the value of a? That is 2. Minus 1 we will do, 2 minus 1, it will be equal to 1. So we know that 1 is whole number. It means after subtracting we are knowing that if a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, then in subtraction of whole numbers, result is a whole number. But if b is greater than a, suppose here is 3, here is 1. So what will be? We will do a minus b again. What is the value of a now? 1 minus, what is the value of b? 3. So it will be not defined here. Means negative value will be minus 3 plus 1. It will be minus 2. Or here we can write it is not defined. Not means if b is greater than a, then there will be no whole number value. So closure property does not hold good for whole numbers. We can represent it like this: if a is a whole number, b is whole number, so a minus b will not be a whole number, or it will be a whole number only and only if a will be greater than b. Now come to commutative property. As in previous video we learn about commutative property, that was a plus b is equal to b plus a, this one. But here is subtraction, so what we will write? A minus b is equal to b minus a. Is it holds good for whole numbers or no? Not, we will check here. See, suppose take same example, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Now see, a minus b. If we will do a minus b is equal to b minus a should be there. So what is the value of a? 1 we will write. B's value is 2. Again b's value is 2 and a's value is 1. Like this we can write. Now we know that here is negative number is greater. 1 is positive and 2 is negative. Minus 2 plus 1. It will be a negative number here, which is not defined up to now, because we are reading whole numbers. Only positive number or 0 we can include, so it is not defined here. This one, a minus b, here you can see 2 minus 1 is 1. This is defined. So is negative number can be equal to positive number? Never it can be. So commutative property does not, this will be not equal to. In case of subtraction of whole numbers, commutative property does not hold good. I hope it is clear. Now come to associative property. In associative property we have learned that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Bracket we can put here. Here we can put bracket a plus b plus c. Like this we can write. Here we can put bracket like this. But subtraction it is, so what we will do? We will change this sign with minus. We will write here subtraction. We will do. Now we will check. Take example. Suppose a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. Now check. If we will do 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now check. LHS we will solve left hand side and RHS we will solve. LHS you check, minus 2 plus 1, it will be a negative number, so it is not defined. This one will be 1 minus 2 minus, again it will be negative number, which will be not defined. Because up to now we are reading only whole numbers, so we can't write here integers. Negative numbers will come under integers, which is our next chapter, so it is not defined. So we can write here associative, means a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. We can write associative property does not holds good for whole numbers. Now come to property of 0. See what will be here. In addition we have seen, if a is a whole number, if we are adding 0 to whole number, or if we are adding whole number in 0, then our result was a only. But what will be here, if we are subtracting, this was the case of addition, but here we are reading subtractions. So if a minus 0 will be a, this one will be a minus 0. If we are doing, it will be a, but it is not necessary. 0 minus a is again not defined here. How it is? See, suppose a is equal to 2, so if we will do 2 minus 0, then it will be 2. This is a whole number. But if we will do 0 minus 2, then negative number it will be, no, minus 2 it will be, which is not defined for us, because we are reading whole numbers which are positive numbers, so it will be not defined. I hope it is clear. Now we will come to exercise second C, which is exercise second C. See question number first is 15795 minus, this you have to subtract. In question it is written that perform the following subtraction and check your result by corresponding addition. First you have to subtract it. See, we can write here 15795 minus 9784. See, what will be 5 minus 4, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 7 minus 7, 0, or 15 minus 9, it will be 9 plus 1, 10, 5, 6, it will be 6011. So our result will be 157, here we can write 6011 is equal to 6011. Now we have to check that our result is correct or not. What we will do, whatever the term is there, we are subtracting, that we will add in this, our result should be, means if we will add these two numbers, our result should be equal to this one. So we will check 6011 plus 9784, it should be equal to 15795. So 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 1 9, 7 as it is, and 6 plus 6 12, 13 14 15. So our result is okay here. So this will be our answer, or this by this way, means you will add this and this number, wherever there is negative sign, when it will go here it will become positive. So we will add both and we will check like this. Now come to question number second, complete here. So what is the missing number, we have to find out. We will write let the number is equal to x. Now what we will do for this, you have to know that, see, if a number is written 2 plus 5 is equal to x plus 7, what you will do, whenever you are sending a number from this side, left hand side, and this one is right hand side, from left hand side to the right hand side of this equal to sign, then the sign will be changed. Suppose I am sending this 5 here, so how I can write 2 as it is, 5 I am sending is equal to x plus 7, this 5 having positive sign here, when it will go there, sign will become negative, like this we can write. Or suppose this x I am taking here, so x is here positive, when it will come here in left hand side of this equal to, it will become negative. So 2 minus x is equal to 7 minus 5 we can write. Means whenever we are interchanging it from left hand side to right hand side or transposing it, so sign will be changed. So now you can see minus x is here, here is this one digit is positive, so I will send this x here, so it will become positive. See, 5 2 4 5 as it is I will write, and this x I have sent here, 198 plus x it will become. Now I will send this one. This is a positive number here, so it will be subtracted from 5245 minus 3198 is equal to x. So what will be the value of x? We can subtract 5245 minus 3198. Now whatever will be the result, that will be the value of x. So 15 minus 8, what will be the answer? 5 6 7 it will be. Now here it will be 3. 13 minus 9, what will be the answer? 4. Now it will be 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer will be, value of x will be 2047. Like this we can do. Now come to question number 3. Find the whole number and when condition is given. Same way you can do. If you understood this one, this you can do. See here, variable is n, so n we will keep here. Minus 25, when we will send it here, it will become plus 25. So we will write it as 83 plus 25. So what will be the value of n? 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, and 8 plus 2, 10. So value of n will be 108. Like this we can solve all other questions of exercise 2nd C.